Good day, viewers. Thank you for joining us. What a beautiful day. I don't think that we have enough time, but before I will proceed to solving of the question that we have on the board, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are watching us from From YouTube channel. If it is from Facebook or TikTok, you give my page a follow so that you will get notification when I upload new video. Now, back to the question that we have on the board. And the question says that we should do or that we should simplify. To solve this question is very simple. What I will do, I will start with the first expression that we have here. This 2 raised to power 100 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 99 plus 1. Nothing has changed. This and this are the same. Okay? Minus 2 raised to power what? 99 over this 2 raised to power 101 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 99 plus 2. Nothing has changed. The 2 are the same. Plus 2 raised to power 99, which is equal to, this will automatically become 2 raised to power 99 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1, okay, minus 2 raised to power 99, okay, all over. This will automatically become 2 raised to power 99 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2 plus 2 raised to power 99. Okay, so when I simplify this, when you look at the numerator, you will observe that they have 2 raised to power 99 in common. So I will extract it. We will have 2 raised to power 99, then bracket open, 2, okay, minus 1, bracket closes, over this, they still have 2 power 99 in common, 2 raised to power 99, bracket open. When I factor it out, we will have 2 raised to power 2, which is the same thing as what? 4. Plus, if I factor this one out as well, we will have 1, which is equal to, this 2 raised to power 99, we have it as a numerator and also as what? As a denominator. So when it cancels out, we will have 2 minus 1, which will give us 1, over 4 plus 1 will give us what? 5. So answer to the question is 1 over 5. Quickly, you can practice this. 2 raised to power 50 minus 2 raised to power 49 all over 2 raised to power 53 minus 2 raised to power 49. So solve this and drop your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.